Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I've got a Kiko haul. So I thought I would do a tutorial using as many Kiko products as I can. I think I've got enough other than brows and blusher to do a full face. So yeah, I thought we'd give this a go. So I'm going to use this product first. This is the Hydra Pro Glow Sublime Light Effect Moisturising Cream. So I bought basically all of this because a girl at work called Molly, she just looks incredible all of the time. So me and one of the other girls was just like, tell me everything you've got on your face. So she recommended this and the BB cream. So I've never tried it and I'm very excited to hopefully look like she looks. That's actually really nice. See the glow actually, it's really pretty. Put a tiny bit more on. It's kind of tinted a little bit. But yeah, lovely. Feels lovely. It's got quite a strong fragrance in it. So I'll let you know if it breaks me out or anything, but dead pretty. And then this is the foundation that she told me to buy. Well, it's BB cream in shade 3, so I hope it's the right colour. Just looks like this in this black tube. And I'm going to use my fingers to begin with, and then I'll see if I need a brush. I don't know how much I need. Let's give it a go. Oh, that's actually quite a good colour match. That's actually really nice. I'm using quite a bit of it though. It's a nice coverage. It's very light. I wouldn't wear this on a night out, but it's gorgeous for every day when you don't want a lot of coverage. A little bit more, a couple of blemishes. I think that's really pretty. That's a close-up of my skin. I think that looks lovely. Oh, also I've not got a concealer, so let me just grab a concealer that is not a Kiko one. I'm just going to use this, what is it, Obsession Correct Pen in Banana. Just use this for a bit of highlight instead of concealer. So from this collection, which was the Unexpected Paradise collection, I got the Warm Honey 01 bronzer. I haven't looked at this yet. Let's get this up. I bought this because I thought it looked like an Hourglass product because it's got that kind of marbling effect. Oh, I wonder if this is going to be too pale. We shall find out. Got the Real Techniques blush brush. That smells really nice. I just got like a hint of it when I like wafted it past. Oh, it's a lot of dust coming from it. I don't know if you can see the dust. Oh, no, it's not too light. That's actually a really nice bronzer colour. Ooh, I'm gonna like this. So far, so good. It's a lot more pigmented than the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish that I normally use, so I'm having to go with a little bit of a lighter hand than usual, but that's not a bad thing. And it's huge as well, like it is like massive. It's like the palm of my hand kind of size. So I don't have a blusher from Kiko, but I might just use this bronzer on my cheeks. I might not need one. We'll come back to it. So that was the bronzer. Another tick from me. I think I think it's looking really nice. It's almost like it's definitely not got a shimmer to it, even though I thought it was kind of going to, but it's kind of just got a sheen rather than a, like it didn't, and my face doesn't feel like I've got powder on either, which is something that I absolutely hate. Like, it's my fear to look powdery. I also bought the Tuscan Sunshine Luminous Foundation, so I'll give this a go in another video because I just like the sound of a luminous foundation, and if it's anything like that BB cream, it's lovely. So let's do a little bit of eyes. I got this from the Sicilian Notes collection, long lasting eyeshadow duo in 01, which I think is like an orange and a copper. Yeah, so it's a double-sided cream eyeshadow. So I'm gonna, what's the brush like? It's like this. I'm just gonna pop it on the back of my hand and use a little fluffy brush. I'm just gonna kind of put this all over and into the crease. We'll see what that looks like. Ooh, that's a look. Take a little bit underneath. That might have been a mistake. Look very scary now. I'm going to actually just take some of this bronzer on a little fluffy brush and just cut, like just go into the crease for a little bit of another colour. Bit of definition really. So it almost looks like the peachy colour was like a blend out of this. I feel like the bronzers just helped that a little bit. So I'm going to take some of the other side, which is this gorgeous copper sparkly side, on the geofiber brush, this one. And I'm just going to buff this onto the lid. This seems a little bit runnier. I don't know if it's because the other one was a matte and this is a shimmer, but we shall see. I wonder if it's because you meant to put the one underneath and then this is, I don't know, like a top layer. Who knows? I'm just going to take the brush with the bronzer on and just blend that edge with like a dry brush, because this side's definitely a lot more liquidy. I actually really like that. It's a bit crazy, but I feel like once we get mascara on, it'll look good. Let's stick some mascara on and we'll see what that looks like. The mascara I'm using and actually enjoying at the minute is the Kiko Ultra Tech Plus Volume and Curl Mascara, and it has the funkiest wand. I'll show you. I love a plastic wand. So it has this side which has got little bristles on, which kind of comb up, and then this side which I think is meant to like push the curl up or the volume. One of the two, who knows. So I'm just going to stick some of this on. So that's mascara on. I also just did a tiny bit of brows. I used the Illamasqua Brow Cake in Thunder. So I've just been thinking about blush again, and I could potentially ruin my makeup, but I thought it was worth a try. I might just mix these both and put them on my cheeks. So this is how lovely my skin looks before I ruin it. Let's just give it a go, why not? It's worth it, it's worth a try. So I'm going to mix the two because then it'll be like a little bit of a highlight. God, I'm going to regret this. I already know it. Already know I'm going to regret it. I'm going to use the Morphe JH04 brush. Give them a bit of a mix first. Could be a nice blush colour. It might not be. I actually think that's really nice. I feel like that's a risk that has paid off. Ooh, feeling myself there. That side's a bit interesting. camera. I feel like it looks really nice in the mirror I'm looking at. On there it looks absolutely horrendous. This side looks nice. Just in case it's not the camera, let's just do that and see if that helps. It is what it is. So what have I got left? Lips. So I got a couple of these. So I got 2 lip products, both the same, and it's the creamy lip gloss, and I got colour 101 and 102. Should we go nuder? Let's go nude. So it's like they're like a chubby stick. Just get them out of the packet. I should have got everything out of the packet before, shouldn't I? It's got this like pinky one and this like more nudey one. They're both very nude, so it's not like a really intense colour, but they're like the Clinique chubby sticks. I think a lot of brands actually do these now. So yeah, I'm gonna go with 101. I think that's really pretty. It's like the right amount of colour. And even though they're called lip gloss, it's definitely not like a gloss because it's not sticky at all. It's more like a balm. Tinted balm. I think that's everything, yeah. So that is the finished look. So full face of Kiko makeup. I really love this BB cream, and I really like the Hydra Pro Glow moisturiser that we put on first. I think this is really pretty, yeah. I'll let you know what this one's like. I'll try and remember to use this in my next video because I'm actually really intrigued by that. But I think I've got a new daytime foundation there. I'll also keep you updated on what the wear time is like. I'm sure if I use it in my next video, we'll all know I'll love it. But yeah, if you enjoyed this, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. And let me know what you want to see next. And if there's any Kiko products that you love that I need to do another haul to do, just let me know. And I'll see you all very soon. Bye!